Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the Wi-Fi option and tap on it. And here we have the list of networks. As you can see, on this one it says connected, and on this one it says saved. If you want to disconnect from the network, you can tap on it and then tap on forget, like this. And you can also scroll down and tap on saved networks. And here you have the list of saved networks, and if you want to disconnect from the network, you can tap on the X button and tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you're done, the network should be disconnected from your watch. Okay, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.